When your audience sees themselves in your stories, they are more likely to engage with your content and trust your expertise. Today, let's discuss what's the best way to create content that resonates and engages your audience. Creating content that truly resonates with your audience requires a deep understanding of their needs, pain points, and aspirations. Here is a comprehensive approach to achieve that in 5 clear steps. Know your audience. That's number 1. Start by developing a clear picture of your target audience. What are their demographics, interests, challenges, and goals? Create audience personas to represent different segments of your audience, including their preferred content types, platforms, and topics. Conduct surveys, engage in social media conversations, or analyze existing content performance to identify the type of material they find most helpful. Number 2, focus on solving real problems. Your audience is looking for solutions, not fluff. Craft content that directly addresses their pain points and provides actionable solutions. Whether you are writing blog posts, creating videos, or sharing on social media, always keep your content problem-solution oriented. Use real-world examples, case studies, or personal experiences to make your advice practical and relatable. Point number 3, tell stories to build connection. Storytelling is one of the most powerful ways to create resonance. Humans connect with stories, especially when they evoke emotions or offer relatable experiences. Share personal anecdotes or client stories that highlight challenges, successes, and also lessons learned. For example, you can narrate a time when you faced a common industry problem, the steps you took to overcome it, and the outcome. When your audience sees themselves in your stories, they are more likely to engage with your content and trust your expertise. Number 4, use a mix of content formats. Different people consume content in different ways. Some prefer reading long-form articles, while others are more visual and prefer videos or infographics. To maximize engagement, diversify your content formats. Write blog posts, create videos, record podcasts, design infographics, and post bite-sized tips on social media. Number 5, make your content interactive. Interactive content invites participation and fosters deeper engagement. Use polls, quizzes, surveys, or live Q&A sessions to involve your audience directly. Ask for their opinions, encourage feedback, and respond to comments to make them feel heard and valued. Interactive elements engage your audience and also provide valuable insights into their preferences. So that was your leadership tip for today. Send me your questions and comments on Anuradha Koda on any of the social media platforms of your choice. Follow the links in my bio to get your copy of the book, which has a complete chapter dedicated on knowing your audience. Have a thoughtful day.